Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you something different because I'm currently obsessed with Singaporean brands. And I discovered this brand in Korea actually because I thought it's a Korean brand, but apparently it's not. It's a Singaporean brand and all of their stuff is so cute. So I thought I'm going to do an unboxing, like a reaction, first impression, try on haul. This sweater, for example, is also from them, and I wore a lot of pictures on Instagram with their clothes because I just really like them. This is the brand, and the brand is called Kurse, and let's hop right into it, shall we? Ka-ching. And literally all of her stuff, oh, I love it. Okay, let me unravel this first. Just gonna put it over there for a moment. The first item that we have is this jacket. I thought this is so cute. Look at it. It's very thick as well. I love the bows, the leather detail. I'm obsessed. Can't wait to wear it. I have the perfect shoes and bags to go with it. Look at the inside. It's actually really thick. Then the next item is this dress. I really wanted a blouse dress for different kind of outfits that I had in mind, and this one was kind of special because this one had the pearl buttons and also ruffles at the bottom, which I think is so adorable. It's just very cute. I don't know, I thought this is a great basic item that will go with a lot of outfits. That's why I got it. I also thought I could wear it with the jacket that I showed you, but when I saw the items right now, I don't think it looks good together. I'm not sure, but I have to see, I have to style it. Next item, blue. Very untypical for me, but the whole outfit looked so good together that I had to get it. I'm obsessed with cardigans these days, and this blue, it's stunning. And matching to the cardigan, I got the skirt. This is a velvet skirt that goes with the cardigan. It's just so elegant. I could also wear this on Christmas if I want to, and it would look good. Like the gold, the green, the blue, everything goes so well together, and it looks so good with the cardigan, I think. I'm obsessed. And last outfit, I'm gonna be obsessed with this outfit. I know it. I got this sweater. When I saw this outfit, I thought it looked so cute. Casual but cute. I love casual cute in winter, you know? I'm a girly girl, but when it comes to winter fashion, I'm more on the casual cute side. Please look at this. Look at this dog. Look at this sweater. The only thing I wish sometimes with their sweaters, they usually tend to be a bit more boxy but shorter. I would like them to be a bit longer, even though I'm small, but still I love it. And matching obviously to the sweater, I got the skirt. And the quality again, damn. This is the perfect fall winter skirt, I think. It's a mid-length brown, dark brown skirt. I think I don't have a belt, but I would definitely wear it with the belt because on the website there was a black belt with it. Yeah, that's everything that I've got. What do you think? Would you buy Singaporean fashion? Because I would definitely do it again. They also have a Korean Instagram, so that's why I thought they are Korean. But I think they go really well in Korea and Japan as well. And I can see why. I feel like it kind of fits the Korean aesthetic and also the Japanese aesthetic. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys in my next one.